It is very simple to do, and you only need the nano banana from Google, and I'm going to leave the link to that in the video description. So when you're on a nano banana page, all you have to do is to go ahead, upload the picture that you want to use. So you tap on that button, tap on upload image. From there, you select the exact image you want to use. In this case, it is this yellow man that I want to use. So after selecting it, just enter a simple prompt: braid my hair. Very simple. Just 3 words: braid my hair. As simple as that. And leave the rest to Nano Banana. It will do the magic for you. It's very simple. You don't have to struggle about this. Boom. Look at the result right there. If you want a different style of braids, you could equally do that. But for now, you can go ahead and download this, save it into your gallery by clicking on that download button over there. Well, if you want to update your prompts, if you want to edit it, just tap on that button over there. Go ahead, add whatever you want to add to it, then tap on that Gemini button over there, and a new version of the image will be generated for you using your updated prompts. You can see this one I updated to braid my hair for me backwards instead of braid my hair. Right now I've added another 3 letter words: for me backwards, braid my hair for me backwards, and boom, that is the result right there. It's just amazing. Very simple to do. You don't have to think twice. Like, you don't need any rocket science formula whatsoever to do this. Very simple. Enter the prompt as you think about it, and let the AI do the magic for you. It's very, very easy to do, and I believe you're going to practice this and let me know the results that you're going to have. Yeah. And if you like a video like this, go ahead and hit the like button on this video, and also subscribe for more videos coming your way in the future. I'll see you in the next one.